Hello, how are you?
Yeah, ma'am, I am doing well. Thanks for asking me. And how about you?
I'm pretty well. What about you? Please tell me your name, from where you are.
O- Okay, I will introduce myself briefly. Okay, I am Saturghan Hans and I am from Odisha and I am a student. I am pursuing diploma in electrical department and I have been learning English for 5 to 6 months. Yeah, that's all about me.
You are learning electrical things.
Yeah, I am doing diploma in electrical department.
Okay, okay,
Right now, I am in fifth sem final year.
okay,
Yeah.
okay. Okay, so how have you been connecting this English journey and how have you been learning this language? Please tell me.
Yeah, it is like you can say my little I like hobbies. I love this language to learn because I face in when I was in 10th class, uh, 11th class first year, I faced some problem related to English. That time I realized ki maybe I learn English and I'm good at English, so I will do better in my study. So that is the reason I started learning. But after that, when I started learning English, then I watch conversational video and watch more English related content. Then I get interest in this language, and right now I'm learning this language and I enjoy it too. So right now I'm more interested and curious to learn new things and practice with other people also. So right now I'm enjoying this process to learn this language. Yeah.
Oh, very nice. And it is you are a very curious person and passionate person to uh, take this language seriously.
Yeah,
Good.
ma'am.
It's I very appreciate you and your appreciate your motivation also. So okay, let's may I introduce myself?
Yeah, ma'am, you can
Okay.
introduce yourself.
So, if I talk about myself, my name is Monica, as you know that, and I am from MP Gwalior. And if I talk about my qualifications, I have done Masters in English Literature and B.Ed Honors. And professionally, by profession, I am a teacher. And since since 8 years, I am just connecting or to teaching and teaching English. This is my specific subject and I have started my YouTube channel also for online learning, taking so many good things. I started my channel last year in the month of October, and it takes time algorithm. YouTube algorithm, it is very difficult to come on that platform where you wish to come. So there is a lot of competition of online learning. Okay, you know very well. So yes, gradually my channel is working and I hope it's
Yeah,
getting
going well.
succeed again day by day. So that's all about me. Thanks for
Okay,
asking.
ma'am. So you have prepared any question for discussing, or we go with any flow like our in journey
I
like
have
quality?
no but I want to know about your background of you are from Hindi medium or English medium background you have because some previous days I have discussed many things co-learners that they are if they are from Hindi medium they are struggling a lot to learn this language. So, are you
Yeah, ma'am.
also struggling to Hindi or English medium like this? You have anything?
I'm not also Hindi or English student. I'm from Odia background. Like I'm from Odisha, so our mother tongue is Odia.
Korea.
Yeah, actually everyone face this problem who came from different medium, who is not English medium. But if you want to learn this language, you can find any way to learn this language. Initially, I was faced problem, but right now I'm not facing any problem. I enjoy this language too because I
Okay.
understood and I
So, do
right now
you
I'm
translate something express or articulate your thoughts? Are you translating every sentence, or
no
without any translation method, you are expressing your articulate your thoughts in front of the
no
audience?
no. No, I am not translate initially. Also, I'm not focusing on translation because when you translation, so your sentence structure is different, and you are go with grammatically so little different, like how like little. So I'm not focusing on one translation, but something like my background. I don't know anything, so I say in my mother tongue for know what is called in English. That time I translate. Otherwise, for any sentence or any speech, I didn't translate, but any specific item or any specific thing that I don't know in English, that time I translate on Google Translate. Yeah,
Because now many people like say that we have to be translate the sentences or article, then they are able to articulate their thoughts clearly in front of the learners or YouTubers. So that's why I'm asking this question to you. Because now
yeah,
if
ma'am.
we translate our sentence, so we are stucking. We are stucking many times, like in
Yeah,
between. So translation method is not good many times, but it is good for our practice. If you are
yeah, ma'am.
from like you are struggling, you are making the structure sentence, so you are using translation method. It is good. It is good for practice at home. But if you are fumbling many times, we are fumbling, or many learners fumbling while speaking. So because they at that time they were translating in their mind, that's why they was fumbled a lot many times in between conversation or confabulation to co-learners. So
Yeah,
tell
yes,
me,
ma'am.
what is your favorite subject?
Yeah. My favorite subject, like in 10th class or 1 to 9, 10th class, I watch English. I like English subject, but also when I right now I'm doing. I have done my +2 science also, and right now I'm doing diploma course. So right now I have different subject, like I like my sports subject, but initially I was also like English, my favorite subject when I was in school. Yeah.
Why do you like English subject? Why?
I don't know why, but like I love like poems or stories because in I watch because I have mobile since my 10th class, so I prefer watch in English stories on mobile phone. So I like because I watch lots of stories in English related, books related my subject. That time I get interest a little bit English language. That time I enjoy a lot because all stories.
Is English is very difficult to learn or very easy? According to you, tell me.
For me, initially I thought it is very difficult language, but right now I feel it is easy. Anyone learn English because if we compare to other language, Hindi or Marathi or Odia, it is very difficult. You know, in English alphabet we have 26 alphabet, but our mother tongue 56, 70, like lots of alphabet.
Yeah,
But if
yeah,
we
yeah.
compare to English, 26 alphabet. But like yeah, if compared to
But
other
if
language, I
I
feel.
talk about like English, there are so many things like we don't aware, we are not aware. Like you said to me that there are only 26 alphabets, but this is not true. Beside this 26 alphabet, I would like to share with you that there are diphthongs also in language, in grammar. If I talk about like grammar portion, there are so many things to learn. Like if we talk about like grammar things, so grammar things have a part of speech, eight type of part of speech. So it is much
Yeah,
difficult for everyone, like noun, pronoun, adjective, adverb, conjunction. So many things are there, and
yeah,
synonyms, antonyms. This is the vocabulary part also. So there are a lot of like huge or tremendous portion English have, because this is our international language also. So we cannot deny that a small portion is important for our learning. No, there is no any like in Hindi if I say that कोई भी इसका वो नहीं है, किनारा नहीं है. There is like a ocean, like a sea, like a ocean. English is like a ocean. And
mhm,
as we how matlab, like na as we getting learning every day, it is very perfect for us that if we have like a vocabulary part. So vocabulary part is very tremendous, you know. Every and each day we have to learn one or two words daily, regularly, new
Yeah.
advanced vocabulary, so that our vocabulary part is also enhanced day by day.
Yeah, I relate with you, but like lots of parts we are not ever like English you call like ocean. But for improve like for conversation, for talking, like casual conversation, it is easy. Like who want to like talk with express their thought, their opinion. Because as a student, I feel ki we don't go on more grammatical. We just focus on express our thought in English because communications we should improve our communication skill because if you are good communicator, like if you express your thought clearly and opposite person is able to understand your what you want to say, that is for that you can like easy for like for beginner like, for conversation I would say, but it is also big part like lots of grammatical rules available. Yeah.
So when did you started your YouTube channel? When did you start?
Yeah, I think 8 months before.
8 months ago you started your channel. So what kind of changes you have in your personality? Like regular ways you are conversation to learners or some or alternate days?
No, ma'am. I have in conversational video only 15, 16 days before I have in this conversational type video. But initially, before 8 months, I only make solo videos because I made my YouTube channel for improving myself. Because in my first day, like I don't know anything in English. Like I understand, but I'm not able to speak English. So I want to overcome my fear, like camera fear, or I was little shy and. In my class like I am not that much extrovert, like I feel little introvert. So that reason I thought ki I watch a video. He told you me ki like if you make your video every day, you record yourself, then you will improve a lots more improve your improvement you saw. So that's why I start my channel to record myself. And that time I only record myself and upload. I record myself what comes in my mind. I just record myself and upload on YouTube.
Yes, yes.
So then
So what kind
after
of
that,
videos you upload in your channel? Solo videos,
yeah,
like what kind of content you have in your videos?
just I do practice. Like sometimes I like any topic, I choose any topic and
Just
then
one
try to
minute.
describe.
There is, yeah, 1 minute on.
Okay.
Yes, please continue.
Yeah, ma'am. Like first initially I choose any topic and try to describe about the topic. I did this thing, and sometimes any grammatical part or likewise I try to explain what comes in my mind. I choose a topic and try to explain about the topic. I did this thing around 5 to like a 2 to 3 months. Then in the middle I stop at least 1 to 2 months again, like in the middle gap. Then again I started right now, and this time also I choose any topic and try to describe. And right now I'm doing video call sessions, so sometime I upload video call session. Because ma'am, why today I'm fumble lots because yesterday I didn't connect with any people about the video call, and I didn't do more practice. That is the reason. That's why consistency is very matter. Because if you are not talking one day, na, our mind goes blank. Sometimes we stuck more.
Yes, yes. Sometime your mind goes blank. What I have to do, what kind of things we have to express in front of the learners or YouTubers, right? Because it happens a lot with many people. With me also. When I started my channel, I fumbled sometimes to articulate my thoughts or express my thoughts. But gradually, as I uploaded my solo videos, like grammar structures, sentence making structures, one word structures. So slowly and gradually I rectified my mistakes, and I make fluency on my own, so that I I can articulate my thoughts properly in front of others. So now there is no fumbleness at all, and I also started. Like my other channel also, on my Facebook channel or Instagram channels also, there is a good response of audience, and they getting my point, and they actually they respond my things or my sentence structures also. So
Okay.
when we do something for by heart or soul, so response always comes good
Yes.
from audience side also. So this is up to you how much work hard you can do, how much you can polish yourself or your personality, right? So tell me something about your journey of your English journey. How do you feel on this platform for confabulation to your thoughts?
My journey was a little interesting. You can say I started. You can say nothing. I understood little bit, but I don't have I come from Odia medium background, so I didn't get environment. So first I started to. I thought why I surrounded myself in English language. So I have mobile phone. So thought I subscribe lots of YouTube channel in YouTube related to English content only. That I try to watch only English content my every day, and even I downloaded on audio form, and I try to listen some topic, some conversational video. That I realized if I give input to my mind, then will be output. So I try to consume lots of content to relate to English only, because when I listen more, automatically in my mind get it, and when I started talking, so automatically comes in my mind. So
Yeah,
that
well,
I did.
listening is very good skill. If you listen anybody's videos or short videos, so you can enhance a lot of matter, a lot of things also you can get, or new things also, new advanced vocabulary also we can get, because listening or four skills are important for us. But listening skill, if I talk about listening skills works slowly and gradually. So, beside uploading your solo videos, you also do something else for improving yourself?
Yeah, I talk with Chat GPT regularly, not regularly, but sometimes I spend 1 hour, 2 hour with Chat GPT for discussing any topic or any I don't know anything. So I talk with Chat GPT for improve my I'm for better fluency, because sometimes we not get trend, and only making video also a little boring, like monotonous. So I prefer to talk with Chat GPT. I did that also.
Okay. So, are you interested to cautioning with me also? If you ask something from me, so you can.
Yeah, you are a teacher and you have lots of experience in this English language, according in my perspective. So right now I don't know which practice I will do, because I feel right now I'm little bit express my thought in this language, and I don't know what to do next. I know some practice listening, speaking, but apart from this practice, maybe practice I will do more and more, so I will do better. But if I other practice I do, so I can improve myself more.
Okay,
uh,
you what do you do to improve yourself, right? You are asking. Okay, so if I talk about like improving English, so first of all, I would suggest you that reading is very important for us. Reading any books, any story books, any magazine, whenever you get time, you can read one page, two page every day, so that you can take out some new vocabulary words from that, and you can learn that those words, and just using those words in your short videos, in your solo videos, so that your vocabulary part is also enhancing every day. And beside this, you can get fluency over your language, right? And secondly, I would like to suggest you that now that record your voice every day, as you did already did. Already do in your videos, solo videos, like you record your voice, or any short, for example, you just give one word, rectify, like rectify. For example, rectify, you give that word and you just explain that word from 2 or 3 examples. Okay?
Okay.
We should rectify our mistakes while speaking. We should practice our English for 15 minutes daily so that we can rectify our mistakes from our video. So like this. So you can take one word daily, one word, new word, one advanced word, so that you can enhance your vocabulary part also. You can learn also, and audience will attract from your solo videos. So this is the two things, two in one. They works two in one in your solo videos. And beside that, your subscriber are also enhancing, also increasing day by day. And third one is consistency. Consistency
Yeah.
matters a lot in every
Yeah.
field of life. If you are a learner, if you want to become a good YouTuber ahead, 4 or 5, after 4 or 5 years, you can see yourself as a good at the top of the label, na. So for this, you have to working uh, like a very dedication. You have to work hard in your language also, and you have to be perfect, articulate your thoughts every time. So reading portion and recording your voice, take one word daily. These are small steps or small tips to enhancing in this language. These small tips helps you a lot to getting succeed in your YouTube journey.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay. One more question right now occur in my mind. So, as a student, what is most important? Like improving communication skill or just particular in this language? What is the most important initially for as a student who is not getting more time? Because we have more time, like so we can improve our English more and more. But who is student like who is only 1 hour in a day or even 30 minutes? So, what they should focus? Communication skill to try to clear their thought on any language also or they should learn English only for communication.
Actually, if they are a student or they have no so much time to practice in regularly, so I would like to suggest them that only communication skills is must there. English, we are learning. We are learning in our schools also. Up to
Hmm.
intermediate classes, from first to intermediate, nursery to intermediate, we are learning. We have been
Yeah.
learning since 12 years. We are learning in school life. It is enough.
Yeah.
But school never teach you communication skills. Never.
Yeah.
Communication skills comes on your own practice, right? So I
Yes.
must say communication skills is very important for a student, because learning is continue, because your development is not like na uh, कह सकते हैं कि obstacles. There is no obstacles of your learning is continue and carry on. You are carry on for
Yeah.
your learning. But if I talk about like communication skills, you should practice regularly for the YouTubers, for co-learners, for other ChatGPT like small, like Nova or CB application. There are so many applications for solo practice if you want to enhancing your communication skills. So I want to suggest them only communication skills is very important, and you just practicing regularly 40 minutes so you can enhance your communication skills.
Yeah, ma'am. Like as a student, it is very important to communication skill because I felt and I was also same in my school college. I'm not able to talk with teacher. I didn't raise hand in my classroom because we felt very shy, nervous because we are not habitual to do in our since our childhood. So it is very important this way to if you are not good at communication skill in any language, if you are not comfortable with English language also, but in your mother tongue, but you are not talk with your teacher, you are not express your thought, your what you know in your language, study or related or anything, it is very bad thing, bad impact in your personality because if you are a student, they have lots of knowledge, no matter how knowledge they have, but they are not express that thought in front of teacher. So how
Right,
teacher know
right.
ki
Because that's why I am telling you that Express your thoughts is very important now here, but in communicate, but in school life we cannot express because we like now sometime we fumbled in front of the teachers or others also. So in school time we cannot understand properly whatever whatever needs actually. So communication skill is very important. If nowadays any like now many schools are there, many CBSE schools are there, ICSE schools are there, but any single schools or any administration cannot teach you communication skills,
Yeah,
never teaches you it.
yeah,
This skill actually enhancing you from your own, or from your
own self.
own choice. If you want to
Yeah.
become a fluent speaker, you should be practice, you must be practiced regularly. This is the, this is only one solution. Because English is not a very like a if you say that only one day you can learn everything, no. You have to be regularly consistent 30 days, every 30 days, for
Okay.
enhancing the
And
skill.
last question, because the notification came ki like after 10 minutes we will end the session. So
Yeah, yeah.
so what like what procedure we follow ki any student they can improve their communication skill, not only English language, because we don't know in school college this is not teach. According to you, your experience, what students should follow ki they improve their communication skill for me also.
Okay. So if I talk about like students level, we upload, we record. If they are YouTubers, they upload their videos, solo videos every day, and take one topic daily. And on that topic, you can articulate your thoughts every day. Like for example, daily routine. Okay,
Yeah,
what is your daily routine? You just speak out in front of the camera at from 10 lines, 15 lines, whatever is there in your mind. You just express your daily routine, uh, and after that you can listen yourself. What is the what kind of sentences you record in your voice, na, whatever is there. So slowly and gradually, skills, communication skills is enhancing, as well as your English language is also enhancing. Like sometimes we do grammar mistakes, grammar structure
yeah.
mistakes, like verb, ing, es form. So many things are there. So, I would suggest that only practice, or practice 40 minutes or 30 minutes in a day is enough for the students. If they are working, so they usually try to talking in your staff member, or little bit communication, like not so fluency, but little bit we can try, na. So this is also this is also the way to enhance our language. And another option is there, like reading books. Reading books is also very important for enhancing our communication skills. And practice makes man perfect, you know.
Yeah, you are right. And yeah, in my side, enough like a
Okay.
question.
So I actually, what's your name? I forgot your name.
Satrughan.
Shatrudhan.
Yeah, Satrughan.
Okay, Shatrudhan. Okay, so thank you so much for being here, and nice to meet you. Okay,
Yeah,
so
ma'am.
yeah,
Yeah,
thank you so
thank
much.
you so much, ma'am, for you are inviting me, and for giving me chance to express my thought in front of you, and the way you have put it, the answer, and so I really enjoy with talking with you, and today also I learned from new things from you, and I try to implement in my life as well. Yeah, so thank you so much for your precious time to give me and interact with me. So thank you so much again. Yeah, ma'am.
Okay, okay. Okay, thank you so much. Bye bye.
Bye bye, ma'am.